We're nearing the end of our 600-mile Olympic Mountain off-road trip. In the beginning of this trip, we slashed our tire, we applied a GlueTread sidewall patch. Throughout the entirety of our trip, we've had the GlueTread patch on the sidewall. Halfway through the trip, we installed a Colby Valve emergency valve stem, which is included in GlueTread's full tire repair kit. That's been holding perfectly fine, zero issues with that. It took us about 60 seconds to install that valve stem. What GlueTread doesn't recommend is driving on the highway. There were some unforeseen circumstances that required us to drive on the highway. This sidewall patch has about 60 miles of freeway driving at 70 miles an hour. We also took a fun side trip to a really cool town that involved a lot of road driving as well. So the GlueTread patch actually has about 1,000 miles on it. I did everything in my power to get this patch to fail.
Yeah, your slider's on it.
So after all those shenanigans, doing burnouts, doing donuts, I had 4 low lockers, no lockers, all sorts of stuff, tons of wheel spin, GlueTread still on. It's just unbelievable. It's just a really amazing product. Included in GlueTread's full tire repair kit is several of these sidewall patches, 2 Colby Valve emergency valve stems, and tire plugs. There's accelerator, and there is a lot of glue. The accelerator will just dry the glue faster. They now have a kit that doesn't even require accelerator, and when used without accelerator, the bond is actually stronger. GlueTread didn't pay me to make this review. They did send me the product. They have no idea I'm doing this review. These are my own words. I'm genuinely shocked at how well the product performs. If you guys are overlanders or off-roaders, rock crawlers, any other sort, 100%, it's peace of mind. It's cheap insurance. You absolutely should have this kit on board, especially since a lot of you, me included, 99% of the time, don't carry spare tires. This I would trust. I'm about to end this trip, take the freeway to my house, put 40 pounds of air in this tire, and drive it home. And I know that it's going to hold. It's absolutely phenomenal. So thanks for watching, and be safe on the trails.